Songkran Thailand, an episode of series, Buddhist New Year celebrations in Southeast Asia. Songkran is known as the Water Festival. Thais believe that water will wash away bad luck, and spend the day liberally splashing water on each other. Foreigners are not spared from this tradition. If you're out and about on Songkran, don't expect to return to your hotel room dry. Songkran begins on April 13th, the end of the old year, and concludes on the 15th, the first day of the new year. Most Thais spend these days with their families, rushing home to the provinces from which they came. Unsurprisingly, Bangkok can be relatively quiet at this time of year. As Songkran is an official holiday, all schools, banks, and government institutions are closed throughout the festival's 3 days. Houses are cleaned and Buddha statues washed, while younger folk pay their respects to their seniors by respectfully pouring scented water on their hands. You can stay in Bangkok to celebrate Songkran. The visitor-friendly splashing at Khao San Road is almost a rite of passage for Thailand tourists, or you can go to more historic places like Ayutthaya, where the splashing is preceded by more solemn customs like almsgiving in front of temples like the Vihan Phra Monk and Baphat. For the rest of Thailand's holiday calendar, read about other Thai festivals.